More than 2,000 years ago, a machine was created that could predict the movement of the heavens. A machine with dozens of tiny gears. A machine that could calculate the cycles of the sun and moon. And yet, for centuries, nobody knew it existed. It was not discovered inside a palace. It was not found in the workshop of a famous inventor. It was found at the bottom of the sea, hidden among the remains of a shipwreck. A mysterious bronze object would challenge everything we thought we knew about the ancient world. Today, it is known as the Antikythera Mechanism, and it may be the world's oldest known computer.
How could this exist 2,000 years ago?
The story begins in the year 1900, near a small, rocky island in the Mediterranean Sea called Antikythera. The island sits between the Greek mainland and the island of Crete, a place where ancient ships once travelled between important cities of the Roman and Greek worlds. That year, a group of Greek sponge divers were searching the waters for their next harvest. But their journey was interrupted by a violent storm. The waves became dangerous, the wind became stronger, and the divers were forced to seek shelter near the island. They had no idea that, beneath those same waters, a secret had been waiting for nearly 2,000 years. When the storm finally passed, one diver decided to explore the sea below. He put on his diving equipment and slowly disappeared beneath the surface. As he descended into the deep blue water, something unusual appeared. At the bottom of the sea, he saw what looked like statues scattered across the ocean floor. At first, he thought they were human bodies, but as he moved closer, he realized he was looking at ancient sculptures. The diver had discovered the remains of a forgotten shipwreck. The news spread quickly. Archaeologists arrived at the site, and what they found was extraordinary. The ship had been carrying luxury goods from the ancient world. There were beautiful marble statues, bronze sculptures, glass containers, jewelry, coins, and objects belonging to wealthy passengers. It was one of the most important underwater archaeological discoveries ever made. But among all these treasures, there was one object that seemed completely unimportant, a small, damaged piece of bronze, covered in thick layers of corrosion. It looked like a simple rock. Nobody realized this strange object would become the greatest mystery from the entire shipwreck. The bronze object was placed in storage with the other discoveries for months. It attracted very little attention, but then something unexpected happened. As the corrosion slowly changed over time, the bronze piece began to separate, and hidden inside, researchers noticed something impossible. Small metal wheels, tiny teeth, carefully arranged mechanisms, gears. This was not a decoration, it was not a weapon, it was not a simple tool. It was a machine unlike anything historians had ever seen from the ancient world. At first, scientists struggled to understand what they were looking at. The idea that ancient Greeks could build such a complicated device seemed almost impossible. Many people imagined the ancient world as a time of simple tools and basic technology. But this discovery told a different story. Ancient engineers were capable of creating something far more advanced, something that combined astronomy, mathematics, and mechanical engineering. Imagine discovering a laptop buried in an ancient Roman ruin. That was the feeling researchers had when they began studying the Antikythera mechanism. It was a technology that appeared centuries ahead of its time. For decades, scientists tried to unlock the secrets hidden inside the Antikythera mechanism. The fragments were fragile, the gears were damaged, and the machine had spent more than 2,000 years underwater. But slowly, researchers began to understand what this ancient device was designed to do, and the answer was astonishing. The Antikythera mechanism was an astronomical computer, a machine created to represent the movement of the universe as understood by ancient Greek scientists. Inside its wooden case, more than 30 bronze gears worked together with incredible precision. When a person turned a small handle, the gears moved. One gear turned another and another. A complex chain of movement began. The machine transformed a simple human action into a calculation of the heavens. At the front of the mechanism, circular displays showed the position of the sun and moon. One pointer tracked the date throughout the year. Another showed the position of the sun in the zodiac. A special rotating sphere represented the changing phases of the moon, from a tiny crescent to a full, bright circle, and back again. To the people of the ancient world, the sky was not just a beautiful view above them. It was a calendar, a clock, and a guide for understanding their place in the universe. But the machine could do even more. On the back were two large spiral displays. These tracked complex astronomical cycles that took many years to complete. One of them followed the Metonic cycle, a period of 19 years when the cycles of the sun and moon returned to almost the same pattern. Another predicted eclipses. Imagine an ancient Greek scientist holding a device and being able to calculate when the moon would disappear behind the shadow of the earth, when the sun would become hidden during a solar eclipse, when these rare events would happen years in advance. To ancient people, this knowledge would have seemed almost magical, but it was not magic, it was science, mathematics, and human curiosity. The mechanism even tracked the timing of important Greek events. One dial was connected to the ancient Olympic Games. Every 4 years, athletes from different Greek cities gathered to compete. The Antikythera mechanism could help calculate when these famous games would take place. A small machine, created more than 2,000 years ago, could organize time itself. This is where our understanding of the ancient world begins to change. Because the Antikythera mechanism was not simply a tool, it was a reflection of a much bigger idea. The ancient Greeks believed the universe followed patterns. They observed the movements of planets. They measured the cycles of nature. They searched for mathematical order behind the chaos of the world. And this machine was their attempt to place that knowledge into human hands. But who created such an incredible device? That question remains one of history's greatest mysteries. The maker of the Antikythera mechanism left no name behind, no signature, no written record saying, "I built this." Some researchers believe the machine may have been connected to the great astronomical tradition of ancient Greece. One possible influence was Hipparchus, a brilliant astronomer who studied the movement of stars and planets. His discoveries helped shape ancient astronomy. Others have suggested a connection to Archimedes, the legendary inventor and mathematician from Syracuse. Ancient writings describe Archimedes creating remarkable mechanical devices that represented the heavens. However, there is no direct evidence proving that either of these famous thinkers built the mechanism. The true inventor remains unknown. But perhaps the greatest mystery is not who built it. The greatest mystery is, why did this technology disappear? If ancient engineers could create such a sophisticated machine, why don't we find many more examples? Why did humanity wait more than 1,000 years before creating mechanical devices of similar complexity? One possibility is that the Antikythera mechanism was not a common object. It may have been a rare masterpiece built by a small group of highly skilled engineers. Perhaps only a few were ever made. And when those experts disappeared, their knowledge disappeared with them. The ancient world was full of lost inventions. Libraries were destroyed, cities disappeared, ships sank. Knowledge that took generations to create was sometimes forgotten within a single lifetime. The Antikythera mechanism may be one of the clearest examples of a lost technology from the ancient world. For much of the 20th century, scientists could only study the outside of the fragments, but modern technology changed everything. Using advanced X-ray scanning, researchers could look inside the corroded bronze without destroying it. They discovered hidden gears, they revealed tiny inscriptions, they reconstructed parts of the machine that had been invisible for more than 2,000 years. It was like opening a message from the ancient world, written in metal, today. The Antikythera mechanism stands as one of humanity's greatest archaeological discoveries. It reminds us that ancient civilizations were not primitive. They were creative, they were intelligent, and they were capable of extraordinary achievements. But perhaps the most fascinating question is still unanswered. Was this the only machine of its kind, or are there others? Still hidden somewhere beneath the Mediterranean, waiting in another forgotten shipwreck, waiting for another diver, another discovery, another moment that changes history forever. Sometimes. The greatest discoveries are not found in famous monuments. They are not found inside pyramids or royal tombs. Sometimes they are found by accident, a storm, a shipwreck, a diver exploring beneath the waves, and a small piece of bronze that nobody noticed. The Antikythera mechanism is more than an ancient machine. It is a message from the past, a reminder that human curiosity has no beginning and no end. Thousands of years ago, people looked at the stars, asked questions, and searched for answers, just as we do today. And perhaps somewhere beneath the oceans, buried beneath layers of earth and time, more mysteries are still waiting, more stories are still hidden, more discoveries are still waiting to be found. If you enjoyed this journey into one of history's greatest mysteries, please like this video, subscribe to Borders and Ages, and join us as we explore forgotten civilizations, lost technologies, and the incredible stories hidden beneath our world. Until next time, thank you for watching.